the Enforcement Directorate, one of Rhea Chakrabarty's close associates who has been questioned as well, whose statement has been recorded. Let's in fact play out those images here for you. We're trying to get in a word of what has happened here. Okay, so this is, of course, a lot of it in images. We are unable to understand, but what's happening here is Shruti Modi, who was the ex-manager, has stepped out after questioning. Okay, no remarks from Shruti Modi as of now. No one's, of course, been speaking behind this. Remember, their statements have been recorded. As far as Rhea Chakrabarty is concerned, she could be called yet again.
चले चले पापा दिखिए
All right, no words spoken, of course. Questions already being asked to her. What are the questions? Is there any pressure that Shruti Modi is facing right now? Remember, Shruti Modi is someone who is believed to be very close to the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput and is been a close associate of Rhea Chakrabarty as well, her former manager. So she has been called in, was in fact called in today. Her statement recorded today. Mayuresh Ganpati, our deputy news editor, getting us further details here. Mayuresh, what are you picking there? Please go ahead.
So we did try to ask Shruti Modi, who just left the ED office, that what exactly happened, what questions she was asked, and what was her reaction. But she didn't say anything. You can see still there are people, there are media people who were trying to get answer from Shruti Modi, who was questioned for more than 9 hours. Because if you remember that 11:50, somewhere around 11:50, 11:30, the questioning started, and after that, Shruti Modi was still upstairs, and she was the first one who came downstairs right now. And you can see right now everyone is expecting that Shouvik as well as Rhea will come down from this particular gate. That's why media people are standing here. So let's see that when they come, because the normal time which we were told that by 7:45, 8 o'clock, Rhea Chakrabarty and her brother will come down after ED finishes today's questioning. But we just saw the it was Shruti Modi earlier. Now everyone is waiting for them. Back to you.
Yes, Mayuresh, for our viewers watching, of course, several of us across the country have been keeping a very close track of the names being questioned, of the names who are believed to be close to the late actor, close to be the main accused, Rhea Chakrabarty as well. The reason why Shruti Modi was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate here in connection to their investigations.
So because the reason behind calling Shruti Modi, because she had worked very closely with Sushant Singh. She was former manager of Sushant Singh, and ED somewhere feels that even she is aware of some kind of transaction which must have taken place, or she must be having some knowledge of it. That's why they have called her, because she has worked with both of them, Rhea as well as with Sushant. So that's why she must have got summoned from ED to come and record her statement.
Mayuresh, is further questioning to continue right now because this is, of course, already till late evening. Are things wrapping up for the day, or could Rhea Chakrabarty's grilling continue?
it looks like that the way they have allowed Shruti Modi to leave this place, or they have let off Shruti Modi. So it looks like that it is kind of a wrapping up. They are wrapping up because we have been given to understand by our sources that tomorrow, though they have called Siddharth Pithani, but they may not call Rhea Chakravarti tomorrow. They may call Rhea in the next week. So there is yet to get a confirmation on that. ED is basically tight-lipped about when they will be calling Rhea again, and whether they will require Shruti Modi again. Because what we have been given to understand by our sources within the ED, that today interrogation or the questioning happened, but it happened in 3 different rooms with 3 different people. That is Shovik, who is Rhea's brother, Rhea herself, and Shruti. So the individual questioning has happened. The joint interrogation is yet to happen. So when that will happen, that needs to be seen.
Yes.
Or whether that happens or not, that needs to be seen. But what sources are indicating that there are chances that ED may call Rhea again, whether it's tomorrow or in next week. That needs to be seen, because since late in the evening we are saying that sources are indicating that Rhea basically was not cooperating with the ED while answering the questions. Her standard answer was that she doesn't remember the thing, or she is not aware of that particular thing, because ED usually prepares a questionnaire. There is a questionnaire they have, and they go one by one. So most of the answers she had given in this particular format also. So that's why it took so long for ED to complete the questioning, or to complete those questions in the list. And that's why we have been given to understand there is a chance that ED may call her again either tomorrow or in the next week.
All right. Okay. Also, Mayuresh, the questioning of all who were summoned today, there were 3 people: Rhea Chakrabarti, her brother, and Shruti Modi. They were, of course, individually grilled in separate rooms. Was there an indication in separate questioning that came in from Rhea Chakrabarti's brother that there are documents, there are property papers at hand which are available, but Rhea, who was sitting in the other room, unaware of what are the questions being asked to other, said that she hasn't the papers?
Certainly, because when they do the individual questioning, that is the only motive to get the answer from individuals, and then later on, when the ED team will again sit for the interrogation, they will try to match it. So as you said about the property papers, yes, it was told to Rhea to get the bank statements, her income tax returns, as well as whatever the assets she has got, whether it's a property or any other. So she was asked to get the bills as well as the papers, but she did. So that's why ED asked her brother to go and get the papers. We have been given to understand that those papers were basically about the property papers, because ED is investigating that it was whose money that Rhea bought this property, or the properties which are on her name. They are bought by whose money, whether it was a loan, whether it was a father money, whether it was a Sushant Singh money. So just to get more information, just to know that what exactly transaction had happened, that's why ED had asked for the papers, and her brother was allowed to go back to her place and get the papers. So he had brought those papers in ED, and still he is upstairs, because earlier we thought that he was let off by the ED, but it was not that case. ED had asked him to go back and get the papers of those properties.
All right. Mayuresh, many thanks for tracking all of these details. Remember, this has continued for hours on end, through the day, in fact. And we're looking at things wrapping up as far as today is concerned. 8 p.m. perhaps all questioning to wrap up. Statements have been recorded, but the main accused, Rhea Chakrabarti, who could be called in again. Already sources have indicated to us that the ED is unhappy with her line of answering. She has mostly answered by saying, I don't know, I can't recall, and she's believed to know much more than what is being posed right now while questioning. We'll have to leave it at that. We, of course, will continue keeping the focus here on this as well. This is the biggest development in this case that has taken place as far as ED's questioning of the money laundering aspect connected to the late actor's death is concerned. Thank you for being with us.